Alright guys, I'm running the Packer numbers here. Type live. We are live. 10:03. 10:03. Grab list for the Packers. And we would drop that in. Here we are. 10 entries. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 4, that's not enough. Roll 2 dice again, 5 or higher. 9 is good. 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice is a 9. Next click. Got our numbers. And 9. Here's our numbers all the way down. We are done. I'll let this click over here to 10:04 p.m. There we go. We are done. 10:04. We will click done. We are done. 10:04 p.m. 10:04 p.m. Verification and timestamp.